Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can turn your pet into a royal jelly pet in Grey Garden game of Roblox BCP event update. Okay, let's get into it guys. If you want to turn your pet into a royal jelly pet, you need to have this item, the royal jelly pet shard. Oops. I've already purchased the pet shard guys. This one, and you can purchase this pet shard from the royal jelly shop with the royal jelly coins, and if I'm not mistaken it cost 800 royal jelly coins. Okay, you can visit this shop and you can purchase this item from here, and then we can apply this pet shard to one of our pets. I'm going to apply it to this black spotty dragon. I'm going to click on this pet, and as you can see, now my black spotty dragon has been turned into royal jelly black spotty dragon. And I'm going to view the information. Okay, this one. Oh, bigger boost to passive, gains an additional XP per royal jelly plant. Oh, okay. Yeah, it's not bad. Yeah, you can try it guys. You can try to apply the royal jelly pet chart to your pet. Okay guys, and that's how we can turn our pet into a royal jelly using the royal jelly pet chart in Glory Garden. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.